Welcome! In this articulate storyline tutorial, we will create a downloadable PDF certificate with the learner's name and today's date. The learner will be able to download this certificate directly from the course. Let's start with a blank storyline project. We'll ask the learner to type their name. When they click Submit, they will download the PDF certificate with the text they enter and today's date. Let's create two variables, name and date. We'll adjust the trigger to set the value of name to whatever is entered in the input field. And we'll add another trigger to compute today's date when the text input field loses focus. Click to add a new trigger. Select Execute JavaScript when the object loses focus. Paste the JavaScript code that will update the variable date. Now we can design a certificate. We'll first design the template in Microsoft Word, and when ready, we'll use this template to generate PDFs for the learners. In Word, we'll take an image of a blank certificate to use as the background and type text placeholders for the learner's name and today's date in the body of the document. To make sure the background stays behind text, we'll right-click on the image, go to Wrap Text, and select Behind Text. To reference storyline variables in the certificate template, we will enclose variable names in %signs. For example, to reference the variable name, we will type %name%. This will tell Storyline to place the value of name into this text box. And we'll do the same for the variable date. Typing %date% will reference the value of the variable date from our Storyline course. Let's save the template and close Word. Now to make this document into a downloadable PDF, we'll go to cluelabs.com and sign in, or sign up for a free account. On the main page, we'll select PDF Maker. Then, click the New PDF Document button. In the next window, Articulate Storyline will be already selected by default. In the Document Template section, we'll choose to upload a Word file and select the template document we have just created. After clicking Save, we will receive a JavaScript trigger code that we need to copy to use in Storyline to download the PDF. We'll select the Download button and add a trigger to execute JavaScript when the button is clicked. We'll paste the code we just copied without making any changes. And click OK. OK. Let's publish and test the course. As expected, clicking the Download button downloads a PDF file with the values of the variables from the course.